Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and here I got a little, maybe minute long video that I wanted to make real quick. I ended up getting my first a half-inch impact, and these things are pretty neat. Turns out, just recently, Home Depot was having a Labor Day sale, and I was looking at the Ryobi 262 half-inch impact. This is the PBLIW0101B, and I saw the price on Facebook, and I really didn't believe it at first, but I guess I've been searching them long enough that like social media kind of just sent me the link, and I ended up paying $172 total with taxes and everything, and it was pretty neat. I didn't realize, because it was the drill and then like a free battery. Normally the drill alone is about 175, 179 at the store, and the 262 only has about 600 pound-feet of torque versus this one being damn near like 1200. So I thought that was pretty cool. I almost didn't believe it. I bought one anyways, and here it is. I just wanted to kind of open it real quick so that kind of see what's going on. So I got it out of the package, and I've noticed it is very, very heavy. I believe it when they say, hey, it's about 1,200 pound-feet of breakaway torque. You've got your, where is the speed setting? Oh, here it is. There's your speed settings right there. LEDs up front. Very, very heavy. Even heavier with the battery. I did notice that the battery doesn't have any charge, but not a big deal. But I mean, this thing has some very good heft to it. So I'll probably do like a little bit of a long-term review on this thing, give an update on it later. I don't really plan on using this thing a whole lot. That's why I didn't mind buying a Ryobi brand for something like this. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys whenever I can.